Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to mask on Capcut PC. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, here is my basic video and we need a secondary video to mask on to this video. Okay, so let's just put our second video right over here. And after that, what you need to do, you need to select the second video which you want to mask. Then go to the video section. Then from the video section, you need to click on the mask right over here. You need to select the mask option and you will see different types of options called horizontal, mirror, circle, rectangular, as you wish. As you can see, we have selected the horizontal one and it just works fine. Okay, as it is a talking head video, so I will definitely go with the circle and let's just crop out his head like this. After that, we need to just position the circle. Okay, so as you can see, just we need to small it down like that, and from the corner we will add him. And also you can see different types of option in the mask section, like the position, rotation, but we have manually done the positionings. Then here you can see another option called feather. So how the feather works, if we go to the horizontal screen, okay, let's just do with the horizontal to show you the real feather, what actually feather is done. So if we just increase the feather, as you can see, it just the two videos just blend in and out with one another. So the feather does blend to the video as well. I think I have told you enough about the masking right on this video. So if this video helps you out, please do like, share, and never forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.